We are currently facing social crises that are deeply entrenched and tightly knotted together. Issues like systemic injustice and mental health epidemics do not exist in isolation. They overlap and reinforce each other. For years, the primary response has been a push for awareness. However, simply acknowledging that a problem exists does not provide marginalized communities with the structural tools required to fix it. True progress requires an operational mechanism. We need systems designed specifically to diagnose the root causes of these inequalities and engineer tangible, working solutions. Equal opportunity is currently stalled by a lack of functional, problem-solving architecture. FTwelve Inc. is a nonprofit corporation registered in the state of Iowa. Founded by Charlie Hasselman, the organization is built to address this specific lack of architecture. The name refers to the F12 function key found on a standard computer keyboard. In computing, pressing this key opens the developer tools. It bypasses the surface-level interface to expose the system's code and reveal how the underlying logic actually operates. F12's mission is to act as a societal developer tool. They analyze the structural code of our most persistent systemic problems to see where the logic is failing. By applying this technical lens to social issues, the team aims to identify and debug the specific points where the system produces unequal outcomes. This process starts with a strict operational pipeline. Phase 1 is focused on comprehensive research and diagnostic data gathering. To get an accurate picture, the organization refuses to study social issues in isolation. Their research mandate spans 5 key areas: race, gender, religion, mental health, and criminal reform. Analyzing these categories simultaneously reveals intersectional patterns. This data shows exactly where a single systemic failure impacts multiple different groups at once. Research restricted to disconnected categories often misses these structural overlaps, leaving the actual root causes of inequality completely hidden. Once the research is complete, the pipeline moves to Phase 2, technological solutions. Here, raw data is converted into actionable tools. These platforms are designed to provide digital access to demographics that have been historically excluded from technological advancement. The final stage is Phase 3, deployment. This involves community education and aggressive policy advocacy. By combining engineered technology with analyzed data, the organization can advocate for specific policy shifts that promote equal opportunity. This 3-step pipeline, research, technology, and advocacy, is the engine used to dismantle systemic barriers with precision. F12 is currently a grassroots organization. They are a small team that is just beginning to deploy this model. However, an agile, targeted pipeline can generate significant results even against deeply entrenched problems. This data-driven approach allows a small team to activate changes across a much larger system. Through this methodology, the pursuit of equal opportunity becomes a technical challenge with a solvable equation. This operational pipeline has one primary requirement. A powerful engine built to dismantle injustice cannot run without resources. To keep the system moving, F12 requires donor funding, volunteer efforts, and community platforms. Public support is the final component needed to deploy these tools out into the real world. You can contribute to this work by visiting their website to support the cause. Donor and volunteer support provides the energy needed to translate systemic insights into a functioning reality.